Hi, in this video I will explain some of the characteristics of the normal distribution. A normal distribution is symmetric and bell-shaped with the mean in the middle. The mean and the median and the mode are equal. The height and the width of the curve depends on the standard deviation of the observations. The blue dashed curve here is wider than the red curve. That is because the observations in the dataset which this curve is based on varies more from the mean than the data represented by the red curve. The more the data varies from the mean, the higher the standard deviation. So the blue dashed curve has a high standard deviation, while the red curve has a smaller standard deviation. In a normal distribution, 68% of the observations will lie within the mean plus or minus 1 standard deviation. And 95% of the observations will lie within the mean plus minus 2 standard deviations. And also 99.7% of the observations are within the mean plus or minus 3 standard deviations. I will show this in an example. This is a fictive example. Let's say that I have a lot of data on the weight of 18-year-old boys. I have the mean, which is 65 kilograms, and the standard deviation of 6 kilograms. So 68% of the observations will here lie within the mean plus minus 1 standard deviation, which is 65 kilograms plus or minus 6 kilograms. And this gives us an interval of 59 to 71 kilogram. So if this curve is normally distributed, 68% of the observations will lie here in this interval. I also know that I will have 95% of the observations within the mean plus or minus 2 standard deviations, which is 65 kilograms plus or minus 12 kilograms. This is an interval of 53 till 77 kilograms, and you find it here. At last, I know that 99.7% of the observations will lie between 65 kilograms plus or minus 3 times the standard deviation of 6 kilograms, which is 18 kilograms, which gives us an interval of 47 to 82 kilograms. This was a quick and brief introduction to the normal distribution.